The 52nd temple, Ryuunzan Gojiin Taisanji, is located on an elevated site near the Seto Inland Sea and has brought peace to many hearts since its founding. At the end of the temple approach stands a majestic main gate, built around 700 years ago and now designated as an important cultural property. Behind the gate, the main hall, rebuilt in 1305, is the second oldest national treasure structure among the Shikoku 88 pilgrimage temples, following Ishite-ji. Its delicate and elegant design contrasts with the strong, sturdy construction. It reflects a fusion of architectural styles across different eras. The Daishido Hall, which enshrines Kobo, is small in size, but quietly upholds its presence as a dignified part of Taisanji. Taisanji is not only home to nationally treasured architecture, but also holds generations of prayer and culture within its grounds. After your visit, the view of the Seto Inland Sea will surely leave a lasting impression on your heart.